equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are tackling the Asus UX371E with a damaged EC. First, gather your tools, a screwdriver set, anti-static wrist strap, and cleaning supplies. Start by removing the back cover. Be careful with the screws. Keep them organized. Once open, inspect the internal components for any visible damage. Look for burnt areas or loose connections. Next, clean the internals gently with compressed air. Dust can cause overheating and other issues. After cleaning, check the EC chip. If it's damaged, it may need replacement. Remember, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. If you're unsure, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service. It's convenient, no calls, no travel. Once you've assessed the damage, you can decide on the next steps. If repairs are needed, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency. Reassemble the laptop carefully, ensuring all screws are tightened. Finally, power it on and check if the issue is resolved. If not, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.